felt before. Some kind of chemical that reaches through my core. Feels like as far as you and me, I've never had a choice. You feel like home. You're like the opposite of all of my mistakes. Tear down the biggest walls and put me in my place. I know that kind of comfortable you cannot replicate. You feel like home. So if you're asking me, say, oh, how do you know? I don't just feel it in my heart. Don't just feel it in my heart. No, I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. And I know when it cuts deep down through your chest and through your soul, that's how you know. That's how I know. I feel it in my bones. And I know when it cuts deep down through your chest and through your soul, that's how you know. That's how I know. I feel it in my bones. So many people just walk in and out your life. I'd trade a couple hundred just to get some time back, that's right. Cause for you and me, I got no alibi. You feel like home. Oh, so if you're asking me, saying, oh, how do you know? I don't just feel it in my heart. Don't just feel it in my heart. No, I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. Yeah, and I know when it cuts deep down through your chest and through your soul, that's how you know. That's how I know. I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. Oh, that's how you know. That's how I know. So if you're asking me, say, boy, how do you know? I don't just feel it in my heart. Don't just feel it in my heart. No, I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. Yeah, and I know when it cuts deep down through your chest and through your soul, that's how you know. That's how I know. I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. Oh, that's how you know. That's how I know. I feel it in my bones. It was our first week at Myrtle Beach, where it all began. It was 102, nothing to do, man, it was hot, so we jumped in. We were summertime sipping, sipping, sweet tea kissing off of your lips, t-shirt dripping, dripping wet. How could I forget watching that blonde hair sway to every song I'd say? You were California beautiful. I was playing everything but cool. I can still hear that sound of every wave crashing down, like the tears we cried that day we had to leave. It was everything we wanted it to be. The summer of 19, you and me. We had our first dance in the sand. It was one hell of a souvenir. Tangled up, so in love. You said let's just stay right here till the sun starts creeping, creeping up. Right then I knew just what you were thinking, thinking of. sing. You are California beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Watching that blonde hair sway to every song I sing. You are California beautiful. I was playing everything but cool, and I can still hear that sound of every wave crashing down, like the tears we cried that day we had to leave. It was everything we wanted it to be. Summer of 19, you and me. First week, Myrtle Beach, where it all began. Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Ooh, you look so beautiful in white. Na, 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 na. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we'll let her go.